Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can send Amazon gift card to another country. So first of all, open any of your browser on your PC or laptop and you must be signed in with your Amazon account. As you can see, I am already signed in with my account, and once you sign in, simply click on here accounts and list, and from here you need to click on the accounts and it will take you to another tab. On this section, your account, as you can see, many options here. So you need to choose this option, your address. Click on this option, your address, and simply click on add address. And once you choose add address, here you need to, let's say I need to send, my country is not United States as you can see here. So if I need to send this to United States, simply choose the country where you want to send the gift card or whatever you want to send, and simply choose here full name. You'll write down your name and enter the phone number on this section and scroll down and address. On this section, simply put down your address, the complete address. Choose the city, choose state, and enter the zip code and mark this. You do not need to choose this for your default address, and simply click on add address. And once you add address, then simply choose the product which you want to buy and send to another country, and choose this address while sending your address, and that is how you can send your gift card to another country.